Here you see it. I'm actually videotaping from inside the house, but you can see right here, it is snowing like crazy. Just look at this here. It's already accumulating a little bit in the house. And this is only going to get worse as the day wears on. Probably making a chance of freezing rain on top of this. And then the winds are going to pick up. So you know which? Here they come now. But of course, alright. And of course, this is the kind of snow you definitely want if you're a sweater. Look.